along a line extending from near Lost Nation to near Tampico, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Sublet, Woodhaven Lakes, Stewart, Nelson, West Brooklyn, Harmon, Woodland Shores, Eldena, Usam, Lee Center, and Nikusa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.